Good night, teacher. My name is Alejandro. My surname is Carles. I am 42 years old. I am from Ibagué, Tolima, and actually I live in Villavicencio Meta. I am a professional international relations and political studies. I am also a public employee. Actually, I study reagents in information. I am married. I have three children. Uh, I have two daughters and one son. My wife is called Jenny, and my daughters are called Sofia and Sara. My son's name is Luis Alejandro. He is 4 years old. Um, they are students. We are students. The last week I was at the home with my family. We didn't to make shopping. We went to eat at the restaurant in the city, Villavicencio. And then we were also there resting in the house. We were to watching TV. Uh, and then in the night, we were to sleeping with my children. Thank you.